Hello, I'm Ndileka from Anchor Yeast. It's that time of the year again where the kids go back to school and they'll be asking you, Mom, what's for lunch? Well, I'm here with a recipe that's going to be fun, easy to make, and very delicious for the kids with a Bovril twist to it. I'm going to add my sugar to the flour. I'm going to add my salt to the flour, as well as my margarine. Just going to rub in all of the ingredients. Once I've rubbed in all of my ingredients, the flour, the salt, the sugar, and the margarine together, now I'm going to add my packet of Anchor Instant Yeast. Pour all the liquid in rather than doing it bit by bit. It just makes it easy for me to mix. While I'm mixing, you'll see that I am actually squishing my flour. It just helps to incorporate the flour in with the liquid. So as I'm mixing, just turn your dough, turn it upside down, drag it around your bowl as well. As you can see, I've got all my ingredients incorporated, no extra liquid added. So now we will start kneading the dough. There are a few techniques when you knead your dough. I prefer to use this one, where I lift the dough, turn it to the left, 90 degrees, almost fold it in and push away with my palms. Once you're done kneading your dough, you do need to rest it for 10 minutes. So just ball it up, cover it with grease plastic. So once your 10 minutes is up, you'll notice that your dough would have risen and doubled in size almost. It's okay if it hasn't. We do have a trick to check whether your dough has rested enough or not. Using your index finger, just poke holes into your dough. You'll notice that the holes are not closing, your dough has rested enough. So now we'll start shaping our dough. So you'll just want to dust a little bit of flour on your surface and we'll start knocking down the dough. The purpose we knock down the dough is to get as much of the air out as possible to give the dough a chance to rise again and form the final shape before it bakes. So using your knuckles, press down on the dough. Try and get it as flat as possible. Just to make it easier to handle, we're going to divide our dough into two and we'll start rolling out our dough. So I'll be rolling out from the center, going out. If you feel as though you're struggling to roll it into shape, you can just stretch it out. Just balance the center of the dough with your hand and just pull on it till the shape starts to form. So you'll note that I'm only going to spread in the center. Once you spread your Bovril, you're going to take your Vienna sausages, cut them into three pieces. Place them next to each other, not too close because you are going to cut in between the sausages. And we'll start cutting. So just cut all the way through. So when you roll, from the part that does not have any of the Bovril, just roll over, gently tuck in, and just roll. You are going to place it on a grease pan. This one is a non-stick pan, so we don't need to use the spray and cook. So when placing them, just be sure that you do not place them directly next to each other. Leave spaces in between each one. If you'd like to create some patterns on them, just grab a sharp knife and you can cut slits, either vertical, horizontal, it's entirely up to you. So I'm just going to cut slants. Now we're just going to finish with an egg wash. We're just going to break our egg and beat it. Using a pastry brush. Not too much egg, just brush over. So in a warm area, we'll cover once again with our greased plastic. Let it rise for about 20 minutes before you bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Our 20 minutes is up. We're going to bake for about 25 minutes though. And there we have it. Pigs in a blanket for the kids' lunch boxes.